All right.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
What are we doing, Jordy? We're back from final bout.
Jordy, what are we doing? Taking the oil pan off. I want to clean it, get it ready to go back on because I need a spoon to give me a little tack on the oil pump nut. For those who know, you know. For those who don't know, basically, if you beat the shit out of these, that oil pump nut will back off and then the engine goes.
We're tripod mode and we're glove mode. You guys know I hate wearing gloves, so you already know it's about to get messy. Not really messy, but oily. All right, phase 2. Yeah. Hate having small hands so much. I already ripped my glove. You didn't realize it. Jordy's back. How'd it go?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
I'll show you in the world in a minute. It's cleaner, not the cleanest, but it'll do and it'll get us by. It's not disgusting to touch even though I'm wearing gloves, but it's a lot better.
No gasket?
I'm not putting it on.
So that's all for today, folks. Be back tomorrow.
The next day.
Boom. Back with Jordy's engine. It was my birthday yesterday. 25. I feel old. Didn't record yesterday. It was Spoon doing his little thing.
We'll show.
We'll show what he did. Spoon magic. Whoa, look at that. Perfect.
Spoon welded my nut. Trusty dusty Honda Bond.
Checking it out like a library book. Don't put it.
Take a finger.
That's what she said. Okay, see you guys when this is done. Voila.
Ooh, Picasso.
I like it. Anyways, we decided we're gonna do a thin layer on the actual block itself. Before anyone asks, a gasket is going in between.
Good. Gasket down. Super. I was really worried that it was the wrong one.
Perfect.
Yeah, it is actually.
Yeah, the squeezing. Jordy's gonna have a whole brand new, refreshed engine.
Yeah, definitely not brand new, but
Well, new to him.
if anyone can EWS delete my ECU, please let me know. Okay.
Time to torque it. Mr. BMW mechanic already looked up the specs.
I'm not using a torque wrench. We're good. Flip it back over.
Flip it, flip it. You got this, right? Yeah, what you doing there, step bro? Oh. Oh no.
The next day.
All right, Kai, what are we doing today?
I have no idea because you didn't tell me. Alright, short intermission because Jordy finally told me what the f***'s going on. We're taking off the oil filter housing and the Vanos line, not to be confused with Thanos.
Fine.
I said the same thing. Ta-da! I took it off, but...
She did all the work. I did not do a damn thing. Anyway.
Yeah.
The gasket is disgusting and dry. But we got a new one, so good.
Alright, Jordy decided to come outside and clean the damn thing.
Anthony doing what Anthony does.
Nice.
You didn't do it right. It's like this. You gotta do it like Tom.
At least the lighting's nice out. Sorry guys, I'm stuffing my face with these right now.
What is it?
The strawberry top
Yeah, those are mad good.
Looks good. Plus Brian's car in the back. That That's in another video, not mine though.
Not my video, not my problem.
I went to go get us Taco Bell.
What do you guys get at Taco Bell? Huh?
Comment below what your Taco Bell ordered. Not sponsored.
Alright, what are we doing?
We are putting the oil filter housing back on.
Yeah, Miatas don't have these bad boys.
No, we do not.
Do you know what goes on this? Do you remember? We took it all off before.
Power steering, the alternator. It's the alternator. We're putting the Vano slime back on.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah. Let's grab our banjo bolt and 2 washers. Let me grab 3.
Alright, tell the people that don't know.
Alright, before Brian revs it up again, we're putting a washer first.
Your banjo line, and then 1 more washer.
And then I'm going to hand thread it. Same, but different.
Kai, what do you think is under the black cap?
A rabbit. A filter.
Because Miatas don't have these things.
Jesus Christ, you're smacking me with the engine.
Dude, this is you. Dude.
Jordy got it.
Whoever tightened this.
Oh.
The next morning.
And we're back. Jordy surprised me with a little, whoa, oh, yucky. Oil leak? What oil leak?
It's just all that sweat from all that horsepower.
All right, as I was saying before, Jordy had his little oil spill. We got distracted yesterday because he actually gathered all their friends and had some cake for me for my birthday. It was really cute and really sweet. I'm an awkward person in general. So after that, we ended up just going home. So here we are again, back at it. Don't let my white shirt confuse you because it's most likely gonna get dirty from today.
Oh, it will. Alright, oil filter. New always. Fresh, fat O-ring.
You gonna lube that up too?
Yeah, I got a little Earl.
Oh, no Jordy lube this time?
No spit lube. I got some easily accessible lube right here, so.
12 seconds later.
Got it.
Where'd the back off?
I was trying to drill into the metal part of the seal to pull it out, and I slipped, and the self-tapper went right into the pan, so I had to pull the pan again.
Where's the gasket?
Oh, I threw it away because I ripped it in half.
All that hard work for nothing.
So after my debacle, got the front main out, took the pan off, found my self-tapper to pull the front main out, and now I put the new one in. I'm gonna put this bullshit back on, but it's going back together.
Before we re-Honda bond anything, let's see if the gasket AutoZone gave Jordy is right.
Ooh, it's gold. That means it's fast.
Moment of truth. Hell yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Alright, time to re-Honda bond. Ta-da. Time to add the 10 extra horsepower. Stop it. Inappropriate. Gonna put on the alternator and the power steering, but Jordy's gonna clean them for it.
Pretty nasty. Also, I gotta grab a new pulley off the other 4-cylinder. The same thing, already checked?
Yeah. Mr. Scrubber. Not pictured us taking off the old pulley with a 13. Put on the water pump pulley.
Say it again.
The water pump. All right, time to put the tensioner on.
Well, that looks right.
Time to put our belts on. Ta-da! Accessories are back on.
All right, put the belt on. You got this.
I am looking at.
Oh, shit. We got the wrong belt, dude.
Did we?
What are we gonna do?
No, we didn't.
So then what do we do?
We have to loosen tension. Okay.
Woo-hoo.
I did good job. Boom, boom, boom. Done for the day. See you next day.
The next day.
And we're back. But this time we're in the Miata, not the E36. No E36 content today. We are swapping steering wheels in the Miata. Jordy got me this cute wheel for my birthday that recently passed, and we're finally gonna trade this ugly thing. Pretty simple to remove. Get your Allen key, start twisting and turning.
Yeah, righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Do I have it?
I don't have it. Kylie loses things a lot. Boom.
New wheel.
What are your thoughts?
I love it. I feel like
Sick.
what Jim said, it pulls the whole interior together.
Yeah, because like hearts, hearts, hearts. Everything's hearts, everything's pink. Sick.
Now to see how I feel driving it.
Safe after a wild ride in the jelly bean. Jesus.
Alright, I'm gonna end the video on that note. Please like, comment, subscribe. Jordy, anything to say?
Yeah, if you want this old steering wheel.
See you guys next time.